Good morning everyone. My name is Fatima Saba. I am studying 5th standard. Today we gather proud to be celebration 18th Independence Day on 15th. Today we gather. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Fatima Safa. I am studying 5th standard. Today we gather impressed proud to be celebrating 80th Independence Day on August 15. Our nation broke free from British stepped into a sovereign democratic country. We pay respect leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Tirupur Kumaran and Dr. Ambedkar. We are also honored the 1000 history books who name it sacrifice. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.